Tuesday, the 8th of July, Bradshaw landscape. This is an interesting one. We've got 3 levels of garden going right down to there, top level, here, middle level, and then obviously down that ramp there. It's digger day today and we are preparing to take out all of the bamboos, all of the big shrubs here, and we're going to build a new garden for these people. So we'll get back in a few days, show you the progress. Indian stone patio there, level lawns here, believe it or not, level with the bottom there. So yeah, big job, but we love big jobs.